to the front end loader controls in the cab to see if he can figure out what broke this morning. We haven't had good luck with the bush hog front end loader on this tractor. The controls, the cables freeze up or something. Despite trying to make sure that it doesn't have any water in there, it's still, we still haven't had much luck out of it. So,
Wintertime.
and not in the wintertime. Summertime it's fine, but we don't have to feed hay in the summertime.
Yep.
Well, we did a little bit this summer, but
I'm not gonna try and work on this thing in the tractor. I'm gonna take it all out, take it home, try and work on it in the dry, and at least in the room in the barn.
how you liking that toolbox?
I like it pretty good. I like it real good. There it is.
Found the problem. So when you order cables, is it both cables that come in the thing, or is it just one?
Just one.
Hmm. Maybe that'll fix our freezing problem. What you need?
A wrench big enough for that.
Channel locks. Left hand side. I don't see the channel locks. They're right there. They're all organized and I still can't find them. Can you get a new boot that goes over that too? Or?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
That part looks all right.
Good. We was afraid we broke that part. That part is the $1,000 option.
Yep.
The cables are significantly less than that.
Yep.
They're out.
Just gonna leave that like that for now.
Going in the parts house to see if he can get the cables here. Can't come to the tractor place and not look at tractors. In Atlanta, waiting to go to Wichita. putting some old hay out and scattering it out on the ground and feeding hay this morning. Has gotten the John Deere fixed. I got a little bit of the tearing down on video, but he fixed that while I was gone to Kansas. But we are trying to do some preparations for the cold weather coming in today, and that's what we're doing for now. He will be finishing up the preparations after I have to leave. So, alright, that's that. I got him some hay rolled out. He helped me. I got 3 of them done. Of course, he fed 4 rolls and then unrolled a roll before I got 3 rolls unrolled. But you know, he is a lot faster than I am with the tractor. Alright. As we prepare for this winter storm that's coming our way with supposed to be negative 20 or so wind chill factors, just say a prayer for our nation. There's lots of people, including us, that's not really ever had to deal with a lot or that low of temperatures. Just pray for everybody that's already been affected and those who are about to be. So, a very calm morning here in Kentucky. I know we put a cover over the chicken coop, over the window. They're still on the roost this morning because they didn't know it was daylight, but got them a heat light going in here. I'm going to turn the light on. I'm going to open their door, but I don't think that they'll go out. But they have food and water inside. It was negative 5 degrees right now, and that is unheard of here. The wind is a beast, guys. This hurts. I don't like it. I don't like it a bit. Oh, I said I was going to open it up. They're not going to come out though. It's too cold. The hinges are frozen. Alright, let's go get some cow feed and go check on cows. Hopefully we can get there. It rained a lot here before it turned off cold, so everything's going to have a layer of ice underneath it. But, I mean, we didn't get a lot of snow, but like I said, there's that layer of ice underneath it. And cows are doing good this morning. Got them fed over at the other farm. I didn't get much video of that, but here's these girls. Our stock tank heater didn't work, so their water that we feed is frozen solid, but their pond is not, so that's good. They have water. Come on around, girls. Frozen, so yeah. They've got water.
That out. plug wasn't warm like it was yesterday. So.
It is afternoon of the first day. We've got the barn open so they can get in there out of the wind, but we can't make them go in there. I mean, we can, but they run right out, so they know it's open. So just hopefully this afternoon they will decide to go in there tonight, part of them. They all can't fit, so he is making a makeshift windbreak so they can at least get behind something and out of the wind. But for the most part, everybody is faring good. I got a good count on everybody. We hadn't lost anyone, so that's good. They're faring well. So just got to get through these next couple of days and these negative and single digit temperatures, and we should be okay. We've got one pond that is about halfway frozen over. The other pond is completely frozen over, so I busted some ice out of it, which technically I didn't have to do, but that I could see where they had been trying to walk on it, and I don't want the calves walking out there and falling through the ice. So anyway, he's still working on putting some, we've got several rolls of very like 2-year-old hay that never got fed, and it was some hay off of some ground that hadn't been cut in several years. So he's stacking it up here so they can get behind it, lay on the other side of it out of the wind. Their eyes have been watering and has frozen on their faces. The wind chill here this morning said that it was negative 29, I think. I checked it later in the day and it was still negative 25. The temperature is 6 right now. I just checked and it said the feels like temperature right now is negative 14. That's what we're doing. Just trying to keep everybody alive. My battery is about to die, but I just wanted to get out and show. We scattered some hay out here for them to eat on and lay on to try to keep them warm. So down below these rolls, if they lay down, they'll be out of the wind. So, and we're still watching 20 really close. She's eating. So we was afraid that she would bag up and try to calve while this cold snap was here. So hopefully she'll at least wait till it warms up. She don't look any closer than she has been, so I think we're good. So, hi buddy. Hi guys. Good morning everybody. 8 o'clock Saturday, Christmas Eve, and 9 degrees. Gonna go check on our cows. Chickens never came out yesterday. I don't think that they'll come out today. They might, but we're gonna open the door. wind's not as bad today, so it's a lot more tolerable. And we got their window covered up, so they still think it's nighttime. They have a heat lamp, but obviously they don't want to stay under it or near it. They have a place to go to warm up. It's pretty warm there. So his comb looks a little dark, but hopefully they're all okay. We got food and water. Let's go get some cow feed. That's always satisfying. They just fed the cows up there today. And the ponds are both frozen over. The smaller pond down below this one has been frozen. I busted some ice in it yesterday. But you can see where they have been keeping it broken up somewhat. But it's solid now, so they should be inching this way since they've eaten. I'll inch this way and go come get them some water. They like to drink out of this corner of the pond too, so we'll cut them a little bit. She's found it, so the rest of them found it too. We'll cut some out at the other pond too. We're gonna go put some creek feed in the creek feeder. And then just slide it up under the ice. Alright. Yeah. I can't do it one-handed. Yeah. Alright, they got a good spot here. Now to find me a big, well here, let's do this. Let's see if it'll do it with this.
It's got snow on it.
It's got the snow, it doesn't echo. Oh well. Did you swallow ice? Did you inhale it or did you swallow an ice cube? Have y'all ever had something scare y'all beyond all reason? Like, when you think about it, it doesn't make any sense. So this is a piece of electrical tape, yeah? When I opened the door, it's blowing around. It was blowing around more out here, like this. And I jumped back. Of course, my brain immediately thought snake. Sorry, I have to jump up in this truck. my brain immediately thought snake. I mean, it's negative wind chill outside. there's not any snakes around. But I just thought I would share and let everyone laugh at my silliness. Yep. Your windbreak really worked out. We scattered a bunch of hay out on this back side of it. Wind's, of course, coming from that direction. All the calves are...
He's comfortable over chewing the cud.
Yeah, yeah. Can't really see very good on video.
Yeah, my son, Ma.
Yeah.
I can't get a tan like this.
So that's good. They've really taken advantage of the wind, the windbreak.
We'll be doing this from now on.
Yeah. 25's going to lay down.
I'm laying down.
She's like, I got my belly full. Well, maybe not. Maybe she decided that's not the comfortable spot. Peanut's I don't know if you guys could see it on video or not. Oh no, it's not Peanut.
Over going to town.
She got calf slobbers. My brother always called them the meringue on top of pies calf slobbers because it's what it looks like. Now, she's still holding her calf hostage. I hope she does until it warms up. So we're going to try to get a good count on all these calves, make sure everybody's doing good. I think the majority of them are over here.
They're doing a whole lot better than they did.
Yeah.
They were yesterday. They were standing and shivering. So I'm glad to see that.
Laying down, chewing the cud. Look at this one here. That one. That's good. They're doing good. Got the heifer some water busted out. Busting some more. This pond's not quite as thick as the other one, but it's still pretty thick. Hang on, guys. He's gonna get it. It's so shallow and rocky under there, it doesn't like to slide. Careful. All right, throw.
I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. Just sitting here trying to warm up Mom's house. Y'all be safe out there. It's cold and it's windy. And make sure you like and subscribe if you like it. If there's something you'd like to see more, leave it in the comments. If it's something you'd like to see less of, leave that in the comments. But we appreciate each and every one of you, and every one of you have a Merry Christmas.